Okay, folks, we're going to get started here on the box break. As you can see here, this is the last auction. 2007-08 Sweet Shot Atlantic Thrashers box break. Serial number NE24530895. And you can see it ended on 2013, June 6th at 7:55. And at the top of the phone you can see it's currently 9:02. And just so you can see what date it is, there you go. It is June the 6th at 9:02 p.m. in Vancouver. So, get started. Here's the box in the background. And thank you for bidding on my auctions. This is my first box break. And I hope it's a good one. And best of luck to everybody. So, as you can see, here is the serial number. NE24530895. The monitor just went out here, so the lighting changed. There we go. So I'm going to open up this box now. Everything will be in front of the camera. The camera will not move unless I accidentally knock it, which we'll hope that doesn't happen. And there you go. You can see that is the upper deck symbols on the plastic. It hasn't been shrink wrapped or anything like that. Take the lid off. There we go. There's the pack. And now I'll open up the pack here. Trying to keep everything in front of the camera. So you know there's no hokey pokey going on here. Well, it looks like the last card. I won't say who that is just yet. But here we go. Now, let's see. First base card is for Phoenix Coyotes, Shane Doan. Shane Doan from the Phoenix Coyotes. I'll just turn that around. There you go. Shane Doan. Card number 90 for the Phoenix Coyotes. Next one, Edmonton Oilers. Oh, I just put the card down here in front. There we got Yari Curry. Whoops. Sorry. Alright, we got, see if you can see that. It's not focusing right now. But that is Yari Curry from the Edmonton Oilers. There you go. Now you can see the name. Yari Curry. Card number 39. And the next one is Edmonton Oilers. Or I mean not Edmonton Oilers. Detroit Red Wings. Numbered out of 100. Number 20. Matt Ellis. A 3-piece jersey. And you can see the serial number there. Number 20 out of 100. And the next card is Toronto Maple Leafs. Stitches, Sweet Stitches. Boris Salming. And that is numbered 184 out of 299. See if we can get that there. And the last one is Anaheim Ducks, Bobby Ryan. And that is the rookie card. And that is number 378 out of 599. 378 out of 599. So, thank you for participating in my box break. We'll probably have another one again next week. I just want to thank AC Card and Comic for providing me with the product to break. If any of you are interested in purchasing some cards and doing your own box break, go down and see Carlo in Vancouver at AC Card and Comic, and he can set you up at a good price. Thanks. Bye.